If you're seeing a 403 forbidden error on your hosting your website, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the exact fixes that solve this issue in most cases. A 403 error usually means your server is blocking access to your site due to permissions, configuration rules, or missing files. The good news is, it's almost always fixable in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple website fixes and hosting tutorials. Let's get started. The first and most common cause of a 403 forbidden error on Hostinger is incorrect file or folder permissions. To check this, log into your Hostinger account and open hPanel. From there, go to File Manager and open the public_HTML folder. This is the main directory where your website files are stored. Now, check the permissions for your folders and files. Typically, folders should be set to 755 and files should be set to 644. If permissions are more restrictive than this, for example 700 or 600, your server may block public access, which results in the 403 error. To fix this, right-click the folder or file, choose Permissions, and adjust the numeric value accordingly. Set folders to 755 and files to 644, then save the changes. Once done, refresh your website and see if the error is resolved. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is your htaccess file. This file controls important server rules and can easily cause a 403 error if something is misconfigured. Inside the public_HTML folder, look for a file named htaccess. If you don't see it, make sure hidden files are enabled in the File Manager settings. Open the htaccess file and check for any suspicious or restrictive rules. Common problems include lines like deny from all or incorrect rewrite rules that block access unintentionally. If you're unsure whether the file is causing the issue, you can temporarily rename it to something like .htaccess_old. Then try accessing your website again. If your site loads correctly after renaming the file, that confirms the .htaccess file was the problem. If you're using WordPress, you can regenerate a clean .htaccess file very easily. Simply log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings, then Permalinks, and click Save Changes without modifying anything. WordPress will automatically create a fresh .htaccess file with the correct rewrite rules. If the error still hasn't been fixed, the next thing to verify is whether your website has a proper index file. In your public_HTML folder, make sure there is an index.php or index.html file. This file tells the server what to load when someone visits your domain. Without an index file, some servers return a 403 forbidden error instead of a 404 error. If the index file is missing, upload one from your website backup or reinstall your website files. Finally, don't forget to clear your cache. Sometimes the error persists simply because of cache data. Clear your Hostinger cache from hPanel if caching is enabled. Then clear your browser cache or open your site in an incognito window to test it. This ensures you're seeing the most updated version of your site. So to quickly recap, first, check file and folder permissions and set them to 755 for folders and 644 for files. Second, inspect and test your htaccess file. Third, make sure you have a valid index file in public HTML. And fourth, clear your cache. One of these steps fixes the 403 forbidden error in the vast majority of Hostinger cases. If this video helped you solve the problem, drop a like and subscribe for more website troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.